it's time to say goodbye, or at least happy retirement, to the GE microwave. This microwave is pretty old, November 1991. It still works, but the keypad has gotten bad. So if I want to set the clock, 4, 5, 6, see the 4, 5, and 6 don't work, but the 2, 3, 1, 7, 8, 9, they all work. So that kind of makes it hard to use. It's 2:15 on Saturday, so I can't even set the 2:15. I'll have to make it 2:17. But anyway, it's time for a change. So I went out and got me a Emerson MW1612B, 1.6 cubic feet, 1100 watts. This will be nice to have, a more powerful, and it's a lot larger than that one too. Let me get it out of the box and I'll do a comparison. Here's a backside view of the new Emerson. See the fan in there, power cord. There's the information on that sticker. Definitely fills up the spot better. It matches my refrigerator better than the old 90s wood grain or 80s wood grain. Which is lots bigger inside. Look at that. A lot deeper and a lot wider and taller as compared to this one. It's gonna be nice. Time to try it out. I already got something in there to cook. So it used to take 2 minutes in that microwave. Let's see how long it takes in this one. I'm going to say that 1.5 minutes will probably do it. It's turning in there. Let's see how it comes out. My bowl of chili's done in 1.5 minutes. It actually started exploding about 1 minute in. I had to turn the power level down to finish it. So yeah, I used to take that one 2 minutes and it still wouldn't be quite ready. I had to let it sit a while for cheese to melt. Which I'll have to get used to a faster microwave. Okay, the new one looks good over there. They're done. 5 minutes as compared to like 9.5 with the old microwave. That's pretty good. It'd be nice to have a quick cooking microwave. It actually says 5 to 8. So that's how much better this microwave is. It actually cooks on the low end of the recommended times there. My other one I had to add time to even the longest time on there. There it is, stored away with the other spare vintage kitchen appliances. Might need it sometime. Got plenty of room under this old cabinet for. That's what it's made for.